get to review for you today the Bitvae toothbrush. I needed a new toothbrush and so did my kids because we swapped theirs out, obviously, because they're so germy. This toothbrush comes with a whole ton of heads. This many. Comes with this many. Which is so great because you're actually supposed to swap these out more than people realize to make sure that you are getting like nothing backing up and loading up in here, which, oh my gosh, I don't know if you've checked your kids' toothbrushes, but the amount of toothpaste that's like left up in here, so gross. So this comes with a ton of heads for it, and it comes with a carry case or a travel case that you can stick onto your wall in your shower if that's where you keep your toothbrush, or just to keep it from getting gross. And it comes with a travel case, and so this thing closes, make sure it's really skinny. I have used Sonicare before. I'm gonna grab my husband's toothbrush. We have the Philips Sonicare that we've used previously, and I wanted one for more travel. This one is so much lighter and so much skinnier than the Sonicare. These are also much more pricey than this one. So I'm going to show you like all the functions that it has on this one, the clean, the whitening, the gum care, all that stuff. This has two. And so this has, it's got, you turn it on and it goes from clean, then you've got white, clean, soft, polish, gum care. So you can hear it. And it just has different features that, you can hear that, where it just does different types of cleaning. So I usually just keep it on the first one and clean that way. The bristles are really cool. This has a tongue cleaner as well on the back of them, which is incredibly great if you want fresher breath. But look at the bristles that it has. It is pretty cool. Highly recommend these toothbrushes. I put a clean head on this, so this is one that I haven't used yet because I didn't want to show you one that's been used. But anyways, these toothbrushes are fantastic, perfect for your kids if you're swapping theirs out. They last way longer than the $5 ones that I usually get from Walmart for them. So highly recommend the Bitvae toothbrush. One of the things I forgot to mention about this is that it does have an indicator. It has a special vibration for when you're supposed to go from one side to the other to help your kids know how long they need to brush for, which is a huge thing for kids because they, they want to go like this and then they're done and then they're going to get cavities. And so this helps them to know how long they need to brush for, then move to a different section, then move to a different side. The other thing is that I don't have to put batteries in these, which are great because you just charge it right here. There's a tiny little charging port. You pop it right into a USB charger and you have a charge, and it lasts for quite some time. Guys, I get to review for you today the Bitvae Oral Irrigator and Tongue Scraper. So this one actually has an incredible battery life. It can last up to like 40 hours. It's great if you are traveling or you need to take this with you. Like, you don't have to worry about bringing the charger, but the charger is also very tiny. So you can always stick this in your bag if it's getting low on battery. It charges right here in this little port that then you can just plug right back up. It opens up right here for you to fill up with water. That's the reservoir tank. And then it comes with one of these tongue cleaners, which, oh my gosh, there's so much to scraping your tongue, especially if you have bad breath. So if you have bad breath, this has been proven to help. And once you scrape it and you clean it off, it gets rid of all the bacteria or most of the bacteria, and so that you can have fresh breath. The Oral Irrigator gets into every single crevice in your teeth, and I have Invisalign right now, so I need to make sure that my teeth are cleaned out before I put my trays back in. This gets all the plaque out and removes it just like flossing does, and I heard that this helps clear out any cavities or helps get rid of them. I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to pop it in, click it in, you're going to hear the click. Power button's right here, and then from here you can turn the intensity up. You can do a massager, you can clean, whatever you want to do. All right, so if you have really sensitive teeth, you can put warm water in this, but basically once you turn it on, I can't really talk when it's in my mouth and I don't want to get water everywhere, but once you turn it on, you are just going to move it right in between your teeth, and it's going to give you a pulsating spray. You can turn the intensity up, or if you've got really sensitive teeth like mine, I'm going to keep it on the lowest setting, but I'm going to show you how it works. I can't do that on video. Okay. All right, so you can turn the intensity up right here. I am going to turn it on. There's massage and then there's clean. So I'm going to keep it on clean. And that just went like a jet, sprang all inside my mouth. I put regular water in here, so it's a little bit chilly for my teeth. We're going to do the tongue scraper now. Okay, to get the nozzle back out, you're going to push this button right here. It's gonna release that, and then you can pop your tongue scraper back on. Again, you don't want any gap right here. You wanna hear it click, just like that. I'm not gonna do this in the video. It's that easy, that easy. Yeah, this thing just scrapes your tongue while it's pulsating water on it, so it's helping it clean it off at the same time. So these are plastic pieces, and so you can sanitize these in between uses if you want, or after a while, just make sure that you're cleaning your heads. But it does come with 5, which is so cool. So highly recommend this. This is a great oral mouth cleaner, water flosser, water picker, however you want to say it. This is by Bitvae.